Rap started, if you diss somebody on wax, it's like dissing them to their face, you know what I'm saying? That's like a verbal curse, you know, so I take it as a diss. If you diss me on wax, I'm gonna take it to your face, you know what I'm saying? It ain't like we gonna be chilling at no party and hanging out afterwards. They be like, oh, I thought they was, nah, it ain't none of that. You know what I'm saying? I take it as though if you went straight up to me and said whatever you said to me on wax straight to my face on the street, I take it as disrespect. And there are a lot of people, they out battling now because they can't handle the whole weight. They can't handle the lyrics nor whatever happens after that, so they don't get into it. You're gonna get heat regardless. If you get up there, if we got up there and switched our show up, we'll get heat from the hood because we wouldn't be keeping it real, you know? So I'd rather keep it real and keep it with the streets and catch the heat from the whoever else going to place it and then walk the streets and have respect in the hood. We rather keep that, you know. That's what we about, because we feel as though we're a voice for the people and the youth that's in the hood and in the environment where they can't get out and don't have no one to speak for them.
From the Flavor Unit, designed for your taste, here's another piece of Naughty by Nature from 1993. Take it to your face.
Yeah! Some more flavor off the 1993 album, y'all. This one is called Take It to Your Face. Don't get caught up in it. Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. We about to bully your ass around, pull you and smack you around, do you and knock it out, do you and rock your town. Ticky titty, taking tag, getting triggers, smacking packs. So snap, we put our town on the map. I keep you warm like Long John, I'm strong and on time. Many suckers will want to be on mine. One step forward, 21 steps back. One step forward, ain't no one to get capped. It's time to mistreat them and beat them, stop them and drop them, don't need them. Seek them, use them, bruise them and do them. Put something to them, then lose them. I'm taking tack, this rap. Real hip-hop black, plus it's too strong, too black. I want black colors for year. Punani lover for year. Jacket other for cheer. Your mom's a Mac and mother of the year. Yeah, we call clear from ear to ear. Be still down, don't get anywhere near. Hands up in the place, get a little taste of the bass. I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, so tell your story walking. Wherever the places, whatever your races, you diss, I'm taking faces. Neck yoke and neck braces. I go way back, I get in jack for sleeves with fat laces. A hard rock from a hard block was always on the stop the spot in order to stop this rock. But we got what we get, and you get what you got. If you pop and lip a lot, get my job. This rock, so this shots can stop. After 1993, Naughty's the album that hits the spot. Step from this place with a gin face, not an in-store, in-hawk. Keep the face, I keep you in place. Picking on your weight, picking on your tape, sticking on your mate, getting all your pay. Come on, hands up in the place, you get a little taste of the bass. I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, so tell your story. It's all your fault that this hard assault came up that quick. You ready, buddy, for an ass for ass whip? Into the cops that harass me, kiss my ass, she hairy, hot, nasty ass like it's classy. You getting lit, I'm on the same tip. You get your brain hit, that's all the respect that your name gets. Around these parts, we smart, sneak the weak, the streets teach nuts and knees, so please start. So I can have you hanging by your heels, drop me off top of the hill, so I can regroup and scoop up still. Fuck how you feel, get the bubble, trying to judge your niggas with a phony baby photo. Trick, you should've kept your braces, this man, I would've had it, and close your squeaky mouth with a magnet. You read a rewritten diss if I don't care. While I'm sticking gobs of gum in your son's hair. Hands up in the place, get a little taste of the bass. I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, so tell your story walking.
Check it out. 1, 2. It's not a game, y'all. So check it out.
Introducing the Mecca Fusion, physical type of funk using Carmel cruising, brother, your latest lover, smother for deeper cover. Ass blow the brakes, I visualize the fakes. Just because you're pouring syrup on this, don't make it pancakes. My vocal assaults could bounce in many amounts that count slackness. Peak rock sounds of blackness. The dark